Good morning everyone. In previous video we were talking about the mirror. What is the mirror? A highly polished, a smooth or highly reflecting surface is known as the mirror. Mirror, there are the two types. One is the plane mirror, second is the curved mirror. Plane mirror, a highly polished plane surface is called the plane mirror. And second is in curved mirror, the reflecting surface is curved and the curved mirror are called the spherical mirror or parabolic mirror depending upon their curvature. Now, a plane mirror, a spherical mirror and a parabolic mirror, how they look? This is plane mirror. Second is spherical mirror. This is the spherical mirror. And next one is parabolic mirror. It depends upon the curvature of the mirror. This is known as parabolic mirror. Okay, this is plane mirror. Curved, and this is parabolic mirror. It is clear? Now, how can we get a plane mirror? Plane mirror can be obtained by the silvering one side of the glass sheet. Suppose this is the glass sheet. This glass sheet is the transparent. We can see, look through it. Then the silver side is then coated with a dark paint. And now another layer. This is the silver side. Generally it is the orange and red to put. And now first of all we have taken the one sheet. It is not clear. First of all we are taking a glass sheet. Then at the back, any surface of the glass sheet, we paint the silver. The silver side is then coated with a dark paint, generally orange red. It is the orange red. And to protect the silver layer from the scratch out. And one layer, this is the paint here. It becomes a mirror. In any mirror, the silver layer acts as the reflecting surface. This is act as a reflecting surface. Next is change in the direction of light by a mirror. when a ray of light falls on a mirror, suppose this is the mirror, when you fall light on the mirror here, it gets reflected in the another side. Okay, this rays when you fall on the mirror, this is known as the incident ray. And this another ray that is reflected by the mirror, this is known as the reflected ray. It is clear when we fall, when a ray of light falls on a mirror, it reflected in another side. This, when we fall the light on the mirror, this is known as the incident ray, and the light reflected by the mirror, this is known as the reflected ray. The ray of light which fall on the smooth polished surface, this is known as incident. It is clear, incident ray of light. And the ray of light which is bounce off or reflected from the smooth surface, this is known as the reflected ray of light. The angle between the incident ray and the normal at the point. Now you draw the line in between. This is the normal at the point. The angle of between incident ray and the normal at the point, it is known as the angle of incidence. And the angle between the reflected ray and the normal at the point, this is known as the angle of reflection. Clear? The angle between the incident ray and the normal at the point of incidence is called the angle of incidence. The angle between the reflected ray and the normal at the point is called the angle of reflection. What are the two laws of the reflection? One is the angle of incidence always equal to the angle of reflected. Angle of incident is always equal to the angle of reflection. Second, the incident ray, reflected ray and the normal at the point all lies in the same plane. हम इसको एक plane पे ले सकते हैं, कागज पे ले सकते हैं. Clear it? So what are the two laws of reflection? One is the angle of incident is always equal to the angle of reflection. The incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal at the point all lies in the same plane.